Hi, I'm Eileen from MBA, and this is a quick tip and trick tutorial for our wonderful free plugin MBA customization reference. Whether you are just getting started customizing PowerSchool or you're a pro, the MBA customization reference plugin is a great tool to have on your database. The plugin is only accessible at the district office and requires no configuration. To access the plugin, go to System Management, Customizations, and MBA Customization Reference. This comprehensive and informative reference plugin provides detailed information on topics including SQL, HTML, CSS, Power Queries, and the list goes on. Each tab contains thorough explanations about the topic and gives users real-life examples. Have you ever wondered where data lived in PowerSchool and which table? Well, the SQL tab is the perfect place to start and helps you find your data from commonly used PowerSchool tables to all PowerSchool tables. You can see they're broken down in groups, and then you'll find the list of all PowerSchool tables down below. Clicking on any of the table names will link you directly to the PowerSchool System Help page, where you can then find the table that you're looking for. Say we clicked on the CC table, and this will show you every field and data point that is within that table. Thank you for joining me with this quick tip and trick on MBA's customization reference plugin.